I'm going to ask you, at what point did you decide to buy shares? Because from research, you hold the highest share for a bank. How did you start this? What was the pivotal, interesting thing that pushed you to decide that you would do this? And you've done it for over the years and have increased your stake in that bank. How did you do this, sir?
It's something that I don't like telling that story. I'm a trader. I've never been involved in the corporate world. But I don't know how to answer this. I went to a bank. But let me tell you, I went to a bank. I'm a customer of this bank, but I'm a small customer. Very small customer. And I go to this bank regularly. You know, I'm somebody, even to today, I don't do electronic banking. Surprisingly. Because I like going to the bank. So I'm seeing who I'm talking to. So that nobody tells me a story. Somebody did that and you're not seeing your money again. So I make it. I went to bank one of these days. The manager was busy doing something else. You people now in a bank where you go, of course they tend to you. When it was just few banks, they won't talk to you. So this manager was busy talking to the big people and everything. And suddenly says to us, he wants to go to break. And I said, manager, we've been here since about 9 o'clock.